Good morning. We're officially at a week of Vlogmas Day 7. Anyways, I'm eating, it's like a holiday version of Captain Crunch. I'm listening to Christmas music on my Alexa. I said Alexa and it stopped. Alexa, play Christmas music.
The station, Holiday Favorites, free on Amazon Music.
Anyways, I'm gonna take you guys shopping to go get a couple more things. I'm gonna restock my snack bin with holiday edition stuff. And then I gotta go get face wash and moisturizer too. So I'll take you guys with me for that, for all my skincare stuff and my snacks. So, oh, excuse me. Excuse me. But yeah, it's currently 7:09, so still trying to wake up, and then eventually we're gonna go, and then for the rest of the day we're gonna watch Christmas movies. So I'll see you guys later.